I'm Hunter, and I'm new to the YouTube shenanigans. And today we're duck hunting for some wood birds, and that's what you can see mostly on this channel is duck hunting, maybe a little bit of fishing, maybe a little bit of deer hunting. But we'll see what we could get today in these nasty swamps. It's
very.
I think it's like 40 degrees right now. Not too cold.
No wind.
Yeah, no wind at all. And yeah. So, let's see what we can do today.
We'll see y'all at shooting light. We do have 2 angles over there. You'll be getting stuff from my YouTube and yeah, all that.
And by the way, go check out his YouTube at 225 Duck Mafia.
Anyway.
Alright. It's about shooting light right now. I have nowhere to set my phone up. So we're gonna see how that works out. See what the birds are doing first. And I'm gonna figure something out. But this is what we're working at right here. Got the old bird dog. He's filming NZ truck. Already, decoys out over there. Bird dog.
I need some boom shells.
So hopefully the birds come.
Hey,
I get back with y'all.
We deserve a lick because we woke up at 5 o'clock.
But I get back with y'all when the birds start flying.
If they swim over here, bang. Oh, look right there, way in the back. Yeah. Get him. Let's see him blow. Hey, Whack the tube of your gun and then pop it. Here. Knock him out. Hey, he ain't gonna get far. He's gonna come out right there.
He's gonna come out right here. Hey, watch. Let's do that. He's hit.
That ain't good. We're shooting them before they even get up.
That does hurt.
Hey, Randy, look at these two.
Where?
They flared on us.
What? They're seeing me. Hey, I'm gonna come sneak over here and try to grab this bird.
Fuck.
I'm gonna come sneak over here and try to grab this bird.
Fuck. Over the waders.
That's a fucking hole right there. Do not step right there.
Hey, if he's hurt, he'll die. We'll find him. I wouldn't go all the way over there while the birds is fixing to start.
Look right here. Kill him. God
They can come back. We didn't shoot.
damn. Ooh, they did it dirty.
That was on film.
They did it dirty. I could have popped them, but
That was that two that flared on us. I was hitting the jerk string for him.
I was fucking tripping up.
I didn't see him land.
Hey, what? Oh, shit. Oh.
Here. Oh, here. Come. Oh, come see. Here. Oh, come here. Here, come on. Here. Come here. Sit. I ain't seen.
Yeah, but you might got behind them trees and freaked out.
I hope they do it all like them too do.
No.
Oh,
If this tree wasn't in my fucking way, they were done.
Oh yeah, same.
I could have still threw a shot at that one, but
Yeah.
I thought you was gonna shoot at him.
Yeah. right there. Look at him. Hey, right here, right in front. Trying to keep them ripples out there.
To my left, coming into these woods. I folded one of them.
Yeah?
Yeah, he went down over there. He's still alive though.
Hey, right here.
Huh?
Come on.
Look at the temperature too.
I hit that one in the ass.
Huh?
I hit that one in the ass. They're liking the spread.
Bro, it's hurting.
So I got two over here that's dead.
Oh, you killed that one too?
Yeah. I'm hitting my shots this morning. Hey, that one that I hit, he was on this tree and I hit him with this
That
extra.
one I hit's way out there, like where we hunted the other day.
Where's that one you just shot?
That's what I'm talking about. It's way out there. Cause he like slowly glided down. He's hurting. I don't know if he's dead.
They shooting over there too.
I've been here shooting all morning. That's so pretty. Look, I see them come right here. They come right there.
Dude, what about the ones that hit us in the back of the head, bro?
That one, it smoked me right here.
That's gonna be so
Look,
cool.
his breast went like this, hit my head. He went, damn.
He was probably like, oh shit, what the hell?
Fucking tree.
I wanna go get them ducks, but I know as soon as I do, they're gonna go woo 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 woo.
I'm gonna go try to find him when I wounded over here.
You wanna go look for birds?
Alright, so it's well past shooting light. Got me old wood ducky right here. The birds are doing it dirty. We had at least 30 birds come overhead. A bunch of them's coming into the spread right over there. But I had this big tree in my way, so I couldn't really get a bunch of shots. But I killed two. They got this one. Got another one. We can't find them right now. And then Wyatt killed two. I think 2 or 3. Sorry I couldn't film the hunt that good. I couldn't find. We forgot the other tripod at the house. But yeah. Stay tuned for some more content. It's gonna get better. I'm gonna get a tripod and all, so I can set y'all up on. But I'll pick y'all up. We're gonna go still catch and cook probably. I'm gonna let y'all know and pick y'all up later. Okay, so now we're gonna clean this duck bird. I'll show you how I keep my duck bird.
Keep it down and scream.
And forget what I was saying. Yeah, we're gonna clean this duck bird. And go like this. Take your chums, spread them out like that. Put feathers all over his girlfriend's porch. Get bitch at. Yeah. Well, I doing that.
Not good.
And we do that. We do this. And then you need a knife. I need a knife.
Go over there. Here, take my cocks and go throw the feathers in the woods. Cause this is bad. They ain't gonna be happy about that. Oh, there's a bro. We okay, never mind. You ain't gotta run off. We need a knife.
Need a knife? No, we don't need no damn knife.
Yeah, I don't want them breasts coming out there.
This knife, you open it right there.
Started doing a hunting dog. You take care of her when she gets all dirty.
You stand right here by the bone. So there you go right there next to that bone. You just shank. Oh, fuck no. Excuse my language.
Here.
Just shank it like that. Go up there. Just like you filleting a tilapia. Don't even ask me how to fillet them things. Go like this. Get all that breast meat.
Here.
Go like that. Know what? I'm finna do something new. We're gonna eat duck legs.
Duck leg?
Eat duck legs. You heard me?
No
Just like
good.
you eat coop. Can't be that bad. It's meat. And right now, we struggling for that because there ain't no damn ducks in Louisiana. And we eat them like that, feathers and everything. Okay, so we got the duck hole. We come to cook some breakfast. We got Wyatt. And what we gonna do here, we go cook duck, eggs, mix it together like scrambled eggs, put some cheese and stuff on it. It'd be good. Let me show you how we do that. That's what we use. And the sleepyheads are finally up. Okay, so now we're gonna start cooking duck birds. Why film his video? Hey, you
I got the other tripod outside.
You sit there. Stay, don't move.
Go grab the other tripod.
How can you be yay high?
Never make a YouTube video with somebody being normal.
Because we're not normal people.
Ugly out the kitchen. Out the kitchen, ugly. Now.
She's not doing that.
She's not supposed to be in the kitchen. Get her out the kitchen.
My baby can hang out wherever she wants to.
No, not in this house. But she's gonna get in the habit of it, and Mom will beat the whole boot heavy. Here. Now.
I
get
got
out
more
the kitchen.
frozen seasoning.
Maybe I actually take out the floor, okay? Don't get nasty with me. I've been nasty to take it out. Oh, God.
I was gonna
Okay.
take it.
So what we do now? So here what we do now, we got
Salt,
sea salt.
soy sauce, put this like ka-chow.
Hold up, you forget something. You gotta come over here to the refrigerator. You open this. Yikes. Get some of that right there. Amazing. Game changer.
For this.
So what we're doing is we're cooking that
And
on that,
this
the pot,
steak
and we
thing.
cook it on a skillet, like a
helps.
steak.
Look at that, y'all on my butter. Y'all on my tripod on his YouTube channel. Just think about that. Lay down. Don't tell your mom you in here. Alright, he run off looking for something, so I guess I'm picking this up. Where's the paper towel? This is what you get out your duck, your breast. I don't know what's going on there, but pat this off. Get most of whatever's on it off. And then you're gonna stick it over here in this marinade. That is soy sauce, Dale seasoning, Dale steak seasoning sauce, or marinade sauce, and I cannot say that, Worcestershire sauce. Y'all can have y'all's YouTube man back in a second. I'm over here chefing it up for him. Then you stick those two breasts in there and leave them in there for about, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour. That's how long we leave them in there. Wood duck tastes good all the time, so you don't need to marinate it forever like mallard or goose or something, because it's good like teal. So, yeah. What else? He's back. Y'all can have him back.
Hey.
I just told him how to marinate it, by the way, so you can entertain him.
Hey, good.
Alright.
First, we gotta get a pan. He doing that too. Come over here, you get one of these electric salt things. You press a button, it goes. Zzz.
There you go.
Yeah, good.
And then we take.
Night.
Hot.
It's got a booty hole. Yeah, that's why I left everything out.
So, come over here.
You come over here.
No, get him.
Y'all come here. Walk
So,
over here.
Walk your butt up. You got 3 legs. Which burner is this?
This going.
Yeah. You take this, put this on low. Low.
Fire. Yep. Mama's trying to sell it.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
I don't man now.
I'm gonna bring it up next door.
Obviously. Cause I supplied the meter out here. He just cooks it.
No. I supplied a duck hole.
And the duck. I kill him for you. Whoa. He go broke.
He go broke.
He go broke.
Here, we just get tight. Oh, you listen to backup. That's why. Alright, this is hot, man. Yeah. It's good, man.
I had a lot of energy right now. You put the butter in the pan like this. You just take a knife and you bend the knife in half.
Why is this? What is this? Healthy butter?
It might be cauliflower butter. Hey, it might be broccoli butter.
Broccoli butter. For seasoning and chefing, we gotta make the montage on my YouTube, and I'm gonna just send you the montage once I edit it so you can put it in.
Jeez.
Pepper. Watch on that.
You don't put.
Shut up. We experiment around these parts.
You play with the meat a little bit, get it all nice and juicy, get all the wetness inside of it.
Okay. Do we have a spatula? A scooper? We got this fancy dancy doodad thing.
Let me borrow that.
That's
Yeah.
that hurt. That's the real deal.
We got flipper.
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 Alright, this meeting get high right now.
So what you do is you take this
burner.
You sure?
Yeah, we had the wrong burner on it.
How you know?
Because that one was firing. It was setting this on fire.
Oh no, that ain't good.
Fire. Fire's hot.
And tomorrow we're going back and we're gonna be ready because we know how they fly.
We're making a new video tomorrow.
We're gonna shoot a lot of duck birds tomorrow. I think me and him. Someone
Maybe
else.
Darnell.
Maybe Darnell, aka what's his name?
Jordan.
David. And or maybe the girls. Depends who wants to come.
If not, we'll shoot a 2-minute limit ourselves. Oh, I clapped. I wasn't supposed to be loud. Okay. Butter.
Put back in the bowl.
Just for now.
We don't need that. You gotta reuse and save around these parts nowadays.
We put you
Since
back.
Joe Biden's our president.
Yes. Him garbage.
Okay. Remember last time?
Yeah,
Don't
wait.
take some of your local Creole seasoning
Yeah, I don't know if
and
there's
you just
too many Creoles watching
you tilt it like that. You just dip. Whoa. Dip. Flip that around. Dip. Ugh. God, that thick meat. Dip. Dip. And that's how we roll. Oh, yeah, you take that
you.
fancy
Do
dancy
this. I wanna do
thing.
a fancy trick.
Oh, God damn it. Oh, God damn it.
Oh, we got 2 burners on here. Trouble.
Fancy stuff too smart for me. Got my pecker willy. Meat don't sizzle yet, so you don't put it on.
Wait for the
Fire.
fire.
Meanwhile, I play with my meat with the tongs. And yeah, so hopefully we shoot some duck birds tomorrow. And let's see what else we got going on. We're gonna eat good food tonight. Ball crabs and all kind of crab. And Natalie bought us gifts. She bought us a doinks.
Some donkeys.
They're good. Get you girlfriends like we got.
Why or honey? What do you want to do?
Coke.
Go.
Consider Dr. Pepper?
Yeah, I don't care.
Okay. Have fun cooking.
Hey, don't know you got potty? You got potty?
She doesn't have trouble.
on, Bucky. Here, here, here.
Bird dog acting up. We get back at you in a minute. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video.
I love
And,
these TikToks that are
get-
like, when you ask if my oil needs
Make some more
changing, but my
content and
oil
stay
doesn't work
tuned. Like
close.
and
Like when you
subscribe.
ask if my tires have been rotated.